Hey, welcome everyone to an unboxing of the Google Chromecast with Google TV built in, and this is the HD version. What that basically means is that this does not support 4K. That was done purposely because there's still a lot of people out there that only have a 1080p TV or monitor or whatever it may be that they use to play content. And this is a much more budget-friendly device, of course, meaning it sacrifices on 4K quality. So again, it does have Google TV operating system built into it. This is the Chromecast with a remote control, as well as the capabilities of activating Google Assistant support and installing a whole bunch of apps are as displayed on the box itself. The apps will vary depending on the region you live in, of course. So I'm purchasing it here in Canada, so there might be some exclusive Canadian apps available, which, let's be real, the Canadian content is, well, it's not that great. So anyway, moving past that, here is the Chromecast unit itself. It looks just identical to the 4K version. So nothing really different there in terms of the way it looks. It's not a bad thing. It's very compact. It's easy to tuck in behind your display that you're watching it on, which is great. And here's going to be the remote, which I assume is going to be identical to the 4K version as well. And just at first glance, it looks like it, and the same volume rockers on the right side as well, exactly like the 4K version. So again, looking at it, everything is identical to the 4K version thus far. Even the operating system, I assume, is going to be. But the resolution is where it's different, right? It's going to be a 1080p version. So let's go over to the documentation that's included. It's a quick start guide on how to get started. I find it kind of weird that they include such a pamphlet in an online streaming device. Such a waste of paper. When they could just have a little tag saying, hey, go to this URL and read it online. I always just found that weird from manufacturers. Here is the power adapter. You'll notice that the part right there is USB-A fitting. But then here's a charging adapter itself. So one end is USB-A to plug into the power adapter that I showed you. The other end is USB-C, which plugs into the actual Chromecast unit itself. And I think that's pretty much a wrap for this unboxing. Okay, so full transparency here. I realized that I didn't get any batteries out. And I was like, wait, hold on. Most media streamers come with batteries. And I forgot that, so I'm having to go back and finish this recording now. So full transparency there. I did forget. The batteries are included in the box for the remote control, and now it's officially a wrap. But of course, this is an unboxing, so I'll just take them out. So these are probably the no branded batteries, if you will. If you look at the very fine print that I noticed on the 4K version, they just say something like Google. So I guess then technically they're Google trademark batteries. I don't know. Maybe they're in their business of creating their own batteries now, whatever. Now I think I can say with confidence as a conclusion to the unboxing. If you want to find a link to the review, as well as my website link and social media links, all that is in the video description. If the like button does help, subscribe, and thanks for watching.